Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherie if you are new here. And today's video, which comes a week late because it's almost about to be Friday, is we're going to be talking about life after Lockup Season 2, which premiered, like I said, last week. I'm extra late on recording this video, but I'm still recording it because I want to talk about it this season, which last episode, well, first of all, let's just go ahead and get started. So last season of, oh man, my phone going off, I forgot to turn it back off. Last season of Life After Lockup appeared to be much better. It's just, in the first episode, it just seemed very boring as compared to last season. I guess we're kind of, over the whole, and I didn't even take notes on this, on the guy with the two, he's seeing the black girl and got the white baby mama. Well, that's his white wife. Like, we're just over that because we just know she's dumb at this point. So it just seemed like, why? Just, we could be at Chick-fil-A. But, so, I pulled up a website that had all the cast, and I want to go through what we saw so far. So, Andrea and Lamar is going to be appearing on this season. I don't believe, what are they on? They were on last season because that's when they moved to Utah. So he's back in Utah. She's back in Utah and he's back in LA with his family. And so she's been there for a while and she hasn't allegedly spoken to him since then, since he left her in Utah. But she announced to her friends, which is, I'm very suspicious of her friends, that her youngest daughter is Lamar's. That's why she can't really, stop talking to him, because she had sex with him while he was in prison on a visit in a closet. Apparently they bribed the guard or something. Lord, the guards. And she had got pregnant with the little girl while he was in prison. So that was her big reveal. I still think she's slow, but it was nothing. Like I said, that was all we really saw with her. It wasn't really nothing else. Who else did we see? So on this season, who I'm most excited about is Clint and Tracy, because first of all, I'm concerned about Clint and I need to know about his well-being and who is looking out for Clint, because Clint has special needs and I want somebody to intervene. So I want to see how Clint and Tracy are doing, more specifically Clint, So they're going to be on there, but we didn't see them. Marcelino and Brittany, I think they have full custody or something, or of the little boy who Marcelino got into a fight with the dad last season. She's pregnant again with baby number 3. And she's mentioned that she had 5 kids. I missed that part where she gave away 2 kids. I totally forgot if she did mention it. But, oh, excuse me. Yeah, she's pregnant again. So, I think, what else? Let me see what they had else. That was pretty much it for them. I'm trying to think, was there something else for Brittany and Marcelino? I don't know. I wasn't really interested. I don't know why. This was Megan, Michael, and Sarah. So Michael went down to Texas. And now, what do they have that girl? First, her occupation was something else, but they listed her as like a singer. And I busted out laughing. I was like, I thought she was some type of, her job was not that. The last time that I checked, it did not say singer for her occupation. So when did that happen? But anyway, I'm over it. I don't really care anymore. And Sarah, poor Sarah, pretending like she's Michael on the phone with the girl. I'm just over them. I mentioned Andrea and Lamar, Clint and Tracy, Cheryl and Josh. It says Cheryl decides to move to Colorado with Josh. Did we see them? I don't think we saw them on this episode. Oh, we did see Lacey and John and Shane, which I'm over that too. I don't know how many of these reviews I'm going to be doing unless they bring on Clint and I really got something to say. But I feel like, oh, they were moving because they were renting, so they're moving into a new house, and the house looked a mess. Like, is that how you pack? Like, is it not more organized? Is the stuff not packed up? Did you pay these people to pack and move your stuff, or just move and that's how you move? But it looked really unorganized and nasty. And then all the smoking in the house. It was just a lot of hygiene stuff that I didn't like. But yeah, so they're still in a threesome, quote unquote, Lacey, John, and Shane. And Shane apparently still does not have a job. And I just, what is going on in your mind? Like, what type of job did you think he was going to have, being a felon? Like, you guys didn't have a plan. You didn't talk about this before you got married. And now you want to pull up that you pay for everything. Girl, bye. Let's move on. Angela and Tony is a hot burning mess. Tony is a piece of work. Angela was smart, so she couldn't get into his phone, so she took the card out and placed it in her phone to check the messages and saw that he was cheating. So she kicked them out. We all know she's gonna take them back because I don't understand what's going on up here, but that's what she's gonna be doing. So that was probably the most entertaining piece on the first episode. And I think those were all of the couples. So we didn't see Clint and Tracy. We didn't see Cheryl and Josh. But we did see the other couple. So yeah, they gotta show Clint, man. That's why I'm watching. But I'm hoping that it picks up, because this first episode was, a little like blah. So let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of the first episode of Life After Lockup. And this was a short video. I thought it was going to be longer, but it wasn't. So yeah, let's chat below and let me know your thoughts. As always, you guys be blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.